Home SPX Reformer bundle. This machine may be one of the most intermediate Pilates reformer machines on the market. It is well equipped without being too heavy or too small. From this machine, users can expect to get a complete workout that boosts overall strength, flexibility, and endurance. This machine is very sleek, built with durable metal and wood. Assembly for this machine may be fairly simple, which is a huge plus. It is also built for comfort and safety, giving the user the ability to change the headrest position 3 times. The footbar on the machine adjusts to 4 positions, which are a huge benefit to comfortably placing hands and feet. The Merrithew at-home SPX Reformer features a metal roll-up pole, which helps you to perform over 250 exercises. It has a foam-covered footbar, padding along the carriage and platform extender, enhanced spring system, plus many more accessories that make the hefty price worth it. If you are a beginner, you will benefit from the 2 workout DVDs which are included in the package. The videos are very detailed and form the perfect companion to such a machine. Here are some pros. Well built with metal and wood. Suitable for performing over 200 workouts. Foam covered padding among other comfortable features. Here are some cons. Expensive.